Charming four-bedroom home in East Boston, spacious, bright, and full of character. Welcome to a truly special place to call home. This beautifully maintained four-bedroom apartment combines classic Boston charm with a thoughtful, efficient layout, offering space, comfort, and convenience in one of East Boston's most peaceful neighborhoods. Step inside and be welcomed by a spacious, light-filled living room, perfect for gatherings, relaxing evenings, or working from home in comfort. The kitchen is well appointed with stainless steel appliances, including a full-size refrigerator, making meal preparation both simple and enjoyable. This home features 4 comfortable bedrooms, offering flexibility for families, roommates, or anyone seeking extra room for a home office or creative space. Don't miss your opportunity to make your next home. Reach out today. We'd love to show you around and help you take the next step toward living here.